Hi, welcome back to our channel, and today I want to share the final step of our wall decoration. We spent a lot of time searching for a material which was light, natural and waterproof. Our walls are made from foam and marine plywood. We couldn't afford natural wood because it's too heavy and too thick. Also the option was vinyl, but vinyl looked too shiny and it's also kind of heavy. The light option was wallpaper, but it was too fragile. Finally, after a few days of searching, we came across Cork. This was a discovery for us because we never used or see that somebody uses this material. It looks like this. It surprisingly fitted all our criteria. Just one thing, we don't know how easy is it to apply it, and we're gonna find out with you here. Also, in the end of the video, I'm going to share how much of it we used and how much did it cost. If you saw our last video, we made a mistake while applying our floor. We didn't use this tool and we had bumps on our floor, but now this tool will help us to spread our glue evenly with those little ridges while we apply our cork tiles. Always planning is the most important part, so in the beginning we measured the parts we need and we cutted them accordingly with all the holes for the wiring. On all of this we are going to apply the glue because the glue is on both sides, on the wall and the tile itself. After applying glue on both sides, we are going to wait for around 10 minutes. It's recommended, and also we tried and tested ourselves. It just creates the best bond. Second part for the preparation is putting the duct tape on a wall. So while we are going to spread the glue, it will not touch the places that are not supposed to be glued. So this is the example that we are going to put the tiles just in front of it, and now we are going to glue all this space. So only the space that has to be glued are available, and the ridges and corners are safeguarded with the duct tape. This bottom line tape is where our kitchen top will be, and the top one is where our cabinets starting. This glue is really strong and we are wearing masks even though they don't help much, but still for the first 10 or 20 minutes this glue smells so badly. Maybe we are using a bit too much glue, but it's not that big surface, so a little overkill is okay, I believe. I just can't stand the idea that if some corners are going to stick off or something, that will look really ugly. Also, a few tips for people who haven't worked with the tiles. Prepare some space where you can just manage your tile patterns because they're all different. So in a big picture everything would look nicer. Using this method of gluing both sides has a bit of downside because you cannot remove it. After it touches each other, it's rip. You just have to do it on a first try, basically. So the tape also helps to coordinate the place, the exact place. Before we put the tape, we were measuring everything with a pencil and we made exact lines where the tile will go, and then we just put this tape, this magical yellow tape, don't forget to remove all the oils from your wall. We are using acetone. The glue will stick better afterwards. I'm using this tool to spread the glue evenly so it won't be any bumps, just like we did with the floor. And then we are going to repeat the process for 50 times, but we can watch it 50 times faster. I'm using this tool. I'm not sure if it is that useful as it looks, but it feels really satisfying, and it's just feel right to apply the strength evenly all across the tile. Having a small pencil helps to get into really tight places where you need to mark something. Yep, nice. Vicky is responsible for the precise cuts.
Forgot to mention that we are sanding our marine plywood so it can be sharper and the glue will gonna stick better to it. Of course, we are cleaning all the dust and grease from the surface so the glue won't mix with any dirt. We are using a simple razor knife to cut the cork. It really cuts well. Just make sure you have the sharp one or just break it to have the sharp edge.
Finally, we finished with the cork installation. We are happy with the process, we are happy with the result. The thing we are not happy is with the color and the thing how it looks in a mass when there's plenty of them. It's just too messy, too colorful. We wanted something calm and simple, but we quick found a solution that we are going to paint it all white. Also, the cork has those little ridges, and I believe it will be even more beautiful. Also, it covered our screws pretty perfectly. All the imperfections in the wall looks just beautiful. You cannot tell that it was there. So let's go. Got to clear the surface for the starters. Of course, I prepared everything with the tape, as always. Let's paint it all white and hope for the best.
like how it looks, and I think that it's the best decision which we made. It has texture, it looks wonderful, at least now while I'm painting. But I believe that tomorrow morning we're gonna see some beautiful results.
Tell me a little bit more about your first line of paint.
Okay, the first line was so scary and I don't know how to tell you. I thought I'm gonna cry.
For some reason it doesn't look that bad from a camera angle. But believe me, it was too dark.
Definitely was too dark.
What a beautiful evening to finish this tough day. In the morning we're going to share the full results. For now we're happy and super tired.
Let's check our result from yesterday's work. We used 6 square meters of cork. It cost us 50 euros, and after seeing the result, which was not satisfying us, we decided to buy 1.5 liters of white paint and just paint it. And as you can see, it looks really beautiful because you can see all the particles of the wood. Even after the first painting, it looks really beautiful and unique. We are not putting the cork on the parts where gonna be our furniture, so it can look a little bit tricky now, but after everything we're gonna put all the furniture, it looks beautiful. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.